Anytime I grab the opportunity to make a video for you guys, I always talk about how you can make money online. So today I'm taking you through how you can make money online with Monetag platform. Now, you might probably heard of Monetag, AdStera, Hilltop Ad, Propeller Ads, and many more. But today I'm showing you a new strategy with Monetag, and this strategy is actually going to help you, provided you are going to make good use of it. All what I do on my YouTube channel here is to make money with you guys, and aside that, nothing else. So all you have to do is to please again go up to my YouTube channel here, or as you're watching this particular YouTube video, subscribe to this particular video. Your subscription keeps me moving, and don't forget to turn on notification bell in order to get notified whenever I drop any content just like this. So please go ahead and subscribe to this particular YouTube channel as well. So basically, one is going to ask me, what is Monetag? Now, Monetag is all about you getting a traffic source and also what you are going to promote. Now, Monetag is actually different from affiliate marketing or CPA marketing. With CPA marketing, you just have to pay, or you just have to send in your links to different people. And with Monetag too, you're not going to pay anything, which is the interesting thing. And the most I love about Monetag is that you are going to make your withdrawals every week that you prefer to make your withdrawals out from Monetag. So basically, let me take you through Monetag. So with the traffic source, today I'll be showing you a new traffic source and also a new strategy for you to get in touch with your traffic source in order for you to earn a lot of money out there. So kindly subscribe, as I said, and go ahead, join my Telegram and my WhatsApp group. Both the link can be found under the description. If you have, or if you want more details about Monetag, go up there, watch any of my videos on Monetag. I have a lot of explanation to that. This is Monetag homepage. You can check under the description. There is a link there, or go ahead, type it in any browser, Monetag, and first visit the page here. Now, this is Monetag. You can go up, view a lot of stuff. So Monetag help you to make earnings with push, with your banners, in-page push, smart link, your website, and many more. So the payment method too, you can go ahead with PayPal, web money, wire transfer, Payoneer, Skrill, and a lot. Okay, so this is actually a good way in making money with Monetag. So I'm going to show you everything you have to know in order for you to sign up an account with Monetag, how you can also start using this new strategy as I'm about to show you to make money with Monetag. Guys, this is simple, and you have to engage yourself in as a method of making money online. So first of all you have to do here is to just simply go up here. All you have to do is to simply go up here, click on the sign up button here, and then it's going to take you to this home page, as you can see here, as a sign up. Now, the first thing you have to do is to provide your personal details, and the personal details that you are going to provide have to deal with yourself personal, because you're not the company. So go up here, click on your first name, or type in your first name, your last name, your email, and go down here, click on or choose a country of residence. From there, the options for you here is to click on continue, which is going to take you to the next page. Of course, a very simple page and as well. Okay, so you are going to glance through the next process in a simple way. Now, once you are done with that, all you have to do is to start using the strategy I'm about to show you. So let me quickly log into my account. Here to show you guys how to use this new strategy. As I said earlier, you can make money with website and smart link on Monetag. But today we are focusing on Monetag, or Monetag with direct link or smart link, as we always say. So all you have to do is to come up here to your direct link and then create a direct link for yourself. Now, this is my demo account, as I have been always using for my videos, if you have been watching. Now, I have 14 links. That means I've been producing a lot of videos out here. Go ahead and click on add direct link if you don't have direct link, or you can yet still use any of your profitable links out here. Now, the next thing you have to do is to click on copy link. Now you can see my link is copied. Now let me show you this strategy here. We are going to use this link to direct people to a landing page. Now, what do we mean by a landing page? You have to get somewhere very secure that people are going to, click on different things out there in order to make money with. The more they click, the more you earn. Now, for you to get a lot of earnings also depends on your traffic source. So I'm going to show you a nice traffic source of which you're going to make money with today. Now, landing page of which you can use is either Blogger, or you can go ahead and use the Google sites too as well. But today we are focusing on Money Blogger. So the first strategy here I'm going to show you guys is the gift card method. So you can go ahead and just get a gift card picture, just enlarge it and make it very large, create different cards below, write something down, and then write something very catchy. So you can see I just put this picture here and wrote ongoing promo session donated by private company as a form of appreciation to their customers. This is very catchy, guys. So what are you waiting for? So you can see we have different cards. We have the Google Play, the Steam, the Amazon, the Vanilla. We have the iTunes card and a lot. People are much interested in cars. Okay, good. This is not the only trick for today, but so all you have to do is to just highlight any of these and go to where you have to insert your link and insert your link here. Click on apply. Now the link has been fixed inside that particular 250 Google card you've been typed in. Go ahead and click on grab now and also highlight this and go ahead, insert it inside here, click on apply. Now the next thing you have to do is to go ahead with this thing too as well, 200 Steam card, and then click on insert link. So insert link and then copy this one and apply. Okay, so go ahead and do to any of these cards here. And the next thing you have to do, I have this strategies here, which is a power of healthier life. So this have to do with the weight. Okay, so you know people love about either reducing their weight or gaining weight as a method of living. Okay, they just want to look good and nice, so they love to read courses about how they can maintain their weight or how they can gain weight. Okay, so with this strategy too, you can see I type something here, grab this course for free, click here to join. So the next thing you have to do is to highlight this same procedure thing and then paste in your link and click on apply. Okay, this is very catchy, guys, and very simple, which is going to help you make money online with this new strategy too here as well. Okay, so from here too, you can see I have different thing here all together, which is a mathematics, learn something like a puzzle. Okay, so you say, can you solve this picture puzzle in 20 seconds? Okay, so let's see if you can win up to 10% puzzle of this game. So you can see I also created different thing out here in order for you to fill in and get the answers. Now once you are done with that, I also type something like enter answer here. So go ahead with the enter answer here and then insert in your link to as well. So I can go ahead with this and then insert my link, embed my link inside here. Okay, so I can also go ahead with this thing, this one to here, and then embed my link inside here too as well. All right, so go ahead with any of these strategies and it's actually going to work for you perfectly. Now we are done with our strategy for the day. The next thing you have to do is to get a landing page. Now let me show you how you can get a landing page for yourself. Now in order for you to get a landing page, mostly people focus with, or let's say in order for you to get a traffic source, okay, let me basically say a traffic source, people mostly prefer using Facebook because yes, Facebook have a lot of audience out there. Facebook have a lot of people, millions of people out there. But you see, Facebook people have gotten the strategy of Monetag users or Astera or Hilltop ads. People are using them out there, so it's very difficult for you to get much of your traffics out there. So this time around, we are going to use a different traffic source, which is going to focus on TikTok. So let's dive into TikTok strategy for the day. Now open your TikTok account. So I have this account here which have about 1.5 million followers. All right, so as you can see here, this TikTok account have 1.9 million. This video has 6.5 million. This one I just watched it, they have 2.1 million, 19k, 12 points. So then So what's important here for you is to get a viral videos, okay? A page which is promoting a viral videos. That's the necessary thing you have to do. Now, the first thing first you have to do on TikTok is to create a page for yourself or create an account on Facebook or TikTok for yourself right now here. Now, once you create a page for yourself on TikTok, the next thing you have to do is to download most of this video. Now, one is going to ask me, how can I download without the watermark on TikTok or without any copyright issues? Now, the next thing you have to do is to, maybe I want to download this particular video. Let's say I'm much interested in this video, and then I want to download this particular YouTube video. Now, I don't have an account, but let me continue as a guest. All right, so I want to download this particular YouTube video or TikTok video. Since I'm not the owner of this video and I want a copy, or I want to copy this video for my work purpose, I'll go ahead and copy the link out here and go to this website called TikTokyo. TikTokyo, okay? So I'll go ahead and insert the link out here and then click on download. It's going to show me the option to download with watermark or without a watermark. Okay, so let's go down here and see. It says download without watermark, download with watermark. So I like to go in for download without watermark HD. Now this video is automatically downloading here for me, as you can see. Now that this video has finished downloading, the next thing I have to do is to publish this video in my account or the page I created on TikTok. Now I have to be posting these videos frequently because these videos are viral videos, and also they are making a lot of viewers for the person who just posted this video. Mostly they also don't get this same video, but they also copy from people for in order for them to also get views. Okay, so you have to also do same. Once you get views from this kind of videos, now the next thing you have to do is to insert your link in your page or insert your link in any of your videos that you're going to promote on TikTok. Once you insert your videos or your link into your TikTok page, people are automatically going to click on it because they want to view more or they want to get to know more. So let me show you how you can do this. So come to your blogger, copy the link on this blogger at the top here, okay, on the top here, and go ahead. Once you have finished creating your account on TikTok, go ahead, insert it below, because you always hear click on my bio to check this video, click on my bio, there is a link there, tap on it. That's the same thing you're also going to do. So you have to just insert your link under your bio and people will be automatically clicking on it. Just leave this account for just a month and see the magic is going to generate for you. I only teach us what perfectly works for me. So if you just take a time and listen to what I said, I hope you're also going to make a fruitful benefit out from this, and it's actually going to help you a lot. I only teach what works perfectly for me on my YouTube channel. Go ahead, subscribe to this particular YouTube channel for more updates, and also join my Telegram and my WhatsApp group. Both the link can be found under the description of this particular video. Feel free to leave it in the comment section, whatever you have in mind or whatever you want to share with me, what you don't understand. Feel free to leave it in the comment section. Like this video, leave a nice comment, and also don't forget to subscribe to this particular video. Thank you very much for watching this video. My name is Henry, and all I have to say is I am actually out. Hope to see you in my next video. Thank you very much for watching this video. Bye bye.